Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other mates included such as off-road suspension with 2-inch lift kit, outpost all-terrain tires, as well as spray and bed liner, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all jet black interior, tons of extra paneling and storage on the bottom, right next to the speakers. That'll come up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and your power windows. You're also going to get these black running boards here as well. And you're going to have the 40-20-40 bench split seat with driver adjustable lumbar. Very comfortable. Left side here, you're going to have your 2- and 4-wheel drive as well as your lighting control. And this is an aftermarket integrated brake controller, as well as you have your parking brake. Left side is steering wheel. You're just going to have cruise control and forward collision alert. This is pretty stock. You don't have much else. You'll have push to start, classic column truck shifter, and here onto the infotainment system, you can pretty much access all of your cluster control and as well as your vehicle information just through here. You can see your tire pressure, oil life, air filter, as well as your follow distance, your transmission fluid, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You'll have push to start, like I said. Down below, you're going to have your lane keep assist as well as your auto stop, 2 USB ports as well as an AC wall charger with a hill descent control. Of course, the classic climate, and here onto the infotainment system. Like I said earlier, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot as well as OnStar services and navigation. And you can also access your rear camera with hitch guidance as well. So with the split seat, obviously you're going to have tons of extra storage in the middle, center console, and we open it up. You're going to have storage under the seats as well. To get it back down, just find the tab, pull it, it goes right down. Passenger side's manually adjustable, same finish. Double glove box up top, speakers as well. And here you can access your reading lamps as well as your OnStar and your SOS. You're gonna have these blacked out 18-inch wheels on Nokian Outpost all-terrain tires, Z71 badging. You're also gonna have the black hood scoop with the black plastic mirror caps and door handles. You're also gonna have a Pro X15 Truck Hero tonneau cover with the corner step bumper and dual exhaust. Trailer hitch and your 5th wheel just under. It's an easy lift tailgate. You're going to have 2 LED lamps on the side as well as an AC wall charger in the back with 12 bed tie downs. It's a very spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, same style, all jet black, storage and speakers right next to each other with the power windows. Hop into the back seat, crew cab, tons of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger driver's seat with rear ventilation. You're also going to have storage under the seats, lamps up top, and handles on the side. Alright, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. If you checked out this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss, comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as off-road suspension with 2-inch lift, Nokian Outpost all-terrain tires, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Thanks so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.